love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's Rodman. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's not.
We've just rocked up to the joint. There's a beast there. Potentially be working on it today. Let's see what the Malaka's up to. Ya Hamid! What's going on, Malaka?
Nothing much, man.
Oh, what are you doing? You got an air fryer.
Yeah, man, I'm trying to fucking learn this shit, man. Anyways, I think I've done a great job. I don't know. Fucking it looks a little
What's
bit
that?
bad.
The sweet potato.
Sweet potato bar. What's up? What's going on? Oh, you made a video.
Yeah, bros. What's on for the day?
I don't know, man. We just woke up. Well, we got a... Oh, well. Did you give the intro?
My intro.
Morning, guys. What's going on? Welcome back to our channel. So today, we've got a very special surprise for you. Oh, nah, it's a new mod, man, that we're doing to the 500.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to show you
Splitter.
around. But first, I just woke up, I've got to make my breakfast, and then probably we're going to get you on the other side. Show you around. Fucking show them my cooking, man.
What are you cooking?
But I made some...
No, I'm not a big fan of air fryers, bro. It's just
I
sweet
made
potato.
some sweet potato chips. Well, the taste's alright, I don't know, I just have to still put some seasoning on it. I'm still learning, I just bought this shit last night. So hopefully, should be right, man. Yeah, anyway, so that's what's up for today. We have to, well, I'll explain it to you more when we go out. At the moment, just...
Well, lucky it's a beautiful
This
day.
information is enough for you that you're installing something good on the Tank 500.
Stay tuned, boys. See you soon. Welcome back, guys. Alright, bro. What's the plan?
So the plan is, let's get all the tools that we need to install the part. And now, yeah, let's follow me. And then
Yeah, what are we installing?
I'm gonna show you. And come.
Cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not.
Oh, it's a splitter.
Yeah,
The
it's a
front
front
splitter.
Alright, let's drag it out.
Oh, you
And,
wanna grab it from there? Or?
Let me just put the camera somewhere down here. Alright, let's go freaking.
And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go.
Hey,
Beautiful bloody day, man.
all of that, man. It's fantastic. Hey, did I tell you I got gapped yesterday by a chick on a S1000RR on this? I don't know, it was a chick. I was asking her to pop a wheelie, and later I realized she's very fucking tight and she's tiny. I just thought he was a small dude. But fucking, you know what? I just told her to pop a wheelie,
Yeah.
She freaking dumbass. She just thought I'm asking her to race. Bro, I'm not gonna beat an S1000RR with this.
Come on.
She just goes this to me, yeah? Like, come on. And I was in my second gear. This one's got a really nice second gear pull. I was like, hey, I'm gonna lose, but doesn't matter. I don't mind losing to a chick. Yeah.
Come on.
I fucking then I pulled, bro.
Yeah.
Got a momentum a little bit, but as soon as she got the momentum.
Of course she's on S1000RR, man. Freaking it's way faster than this. Plus it's a bike, of course it's gonna be always faster.
Oh, alright guys, Tank 500. Hell of a car, man, for what it's worth. I'll give you a little bit updates on the mods.
We've done a lot to it. We've
Well,
installed the front
we've done,
grill,
yeah.
the whole thing. We've blacked it out.
So basically blacked out the whole thing. Lights, grill, the trims. Only the fog lights are not blacked out, but the surroundings are, the trims. So I don't think we need to do it. We'll just leave it as is. Headlights blacked out. These still need to do the roof rails. The wind protection, the windshields. I'll just give you a quick rundown so you know. There we are. Yeah, blacked out rolls, trims. Blacked out. That's blacked out. So basically all the chrome delete, even that bumper diffuser. Only just left this bash plate, whatever that is, left as is because really don't see it.
Ring is picked up a little bit.
So as soon as you do it blacked out, the thing comes out really nice.
Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond.
Oof. Check this out. So this is the splitter that we're going to be installing. Look at the before. It just doesn't look as wide from the front as it should, but after installing the splitter, I'm pretty sure it's going to change the whole front end of the car.
Yeah, so that's the rundown, man.
What happened here?
This is all partial.
What happened here?
What happened? Oh
New
no!
one.
Oh no, bro!
Yeah.
What the hell, man? Anyway.
Man, our brother. Look at this one. Yeah, Dad, you can. Yeah, that's just like a.
That's somebody.
No,
Somebody
yeah.
got into.
Whatever.
Anyway, that's a quick rundown. So mostly are the black trims that we just installed, plug play, and some of it is wrap as well. We didn't want to buy the whole lot.
Hey, show them the interior, man. Oh fuck! I don't even have the keys. Hang on.
My luck as always. So the splitter that we've got is gonna go under here, just under the front bumper, and just kind of fills up the car, because otherwise the tires look kind of small. If you have any questions or if you want to install this,
interior car.
see the interior.
Look, it's got a really nice feature when you open the door.
Yeah, standard factory standard.
Footsteps just comes out.
Factory standard on the top trim. It's only they only come in 2 trims anyway.
And she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna
Action time break. Alright guys, we'll give you a quick rundown of the product itself and what it came with, so you have some sort of idea when installing it. Hopefully it might help. Yeah, while Mo's doing the install. Alright, so the splitter came up as is. You see these bits, the front chrome little bitties, they didn't come installed, so we just had to check them together. It came with the hardware, so all the screws and nuts were included. Apart from that, yep, so these 2 get installed. Apart from that, it comes with these kind of buckles that'll go up which way? Which way do these go up?
This way.
This way. So yeah. And yeah, you just slap it up to the bumper and we'll show you as we go.
And that's how you do it.
Yeah.
You just install this.
Catch you in a bit.
So we have installed pretty much all the hardware, and now I'm gonna install the double tape around the corners. So let me show you the double tape that I'm gonna be using. So this is like a little double tape. There we go.
I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's driving. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rocking. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knocking. I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Bougie stuck up in my ways, singing Gucci gang. Gucci gang, think I'm Gucci Mane. I'm just playing in the cut, I got my Vans.
Alright, bro, what's the final verdict of the product?
Alright, so we finally installed the bloody kit. As you guys can see, it gives a wider look to the car. Fucking, it's looking awesome, mate.
I reckon it helps hide those small tires away. So
Look at those bloody lights, man, how good they look.
yeah, pretty good.
Wow.
Yeah, it was final verdict. I reckon the double tape wasn't necessary, was it?
Yeah. Well, it didn't stick to the...
Yeah,
surface
double
of
tape
the
is kind of like
vehicle.
optional, I guess, because it comes with its own bolts and screws. And, yeah, pretty fair bit easy install.
Yeah, pretty much. It's just easy peasy, man. It takes only around 10-15 minutes.
I mean, change
to
the
do
whole front
thing.
of the car.
Look at the bloody thing, man. Yeah, we're gonna wrap up now. It's just yeah, that was up for
A
some.
lot more coming on this one. We'll be changing the colours. Let us know what you're thinking black and white, panda theme.
Yeah.
It's due for a wrap.
Alright.
And yeah, catch you in a bit. Take it easy.
See you guys in the next one.
On top, no rock star with these leather pants. I'm ACDC. When I die, I bet they love me, but hate me when I'm breathing. I think you only love me cause I'm popping.